Because you said you don't like to start a conversation. I don't like to speak at all. I don't like to speak at all.
Who lived here?
Семь лет один раз здесь в воду выходит. Говорят, что святая вода, что-то связано с Богом. А потом этот родник куда-то исчез. Ну, это никто не может сказать.
How do you think, what kind of tool your camera is?
It's a magical tool because you can freeze that one moment and have it forever.
Isn't that one image a ghost? Ghost of the moment that was.
Silence doesn't bother me at all because in silence they start speaking and it's more interesting to hear their stories.